Hello and welcome to Microwave Me. Today is the 350th episode. So today I'm going to do something really cool that nobody has ever done before. A bottle of Wite Out. I have no idea if it's going to blow up or catch fire or both, but I just know it could be really cool and nobody's ever done it before, which means nobody's going to give a damn about it and it won't get any views. And for today's experiment, I'll be doing it in Joyce, the rival microwave. She's been through hell and back 3 times over. Just stick this in like so. And I'm going to microwave it for 5 minutes. Let's get microwaving. Okay, that sucked. Believe it or not, I had this thing in for almost 20 minutes. It looked like, I don't know if it was ever going to pop. There was not a lot of liquid in it. It must have built up some pressure. And it looked like it was getting ready to pop, but it should have after 17 minutes. I mean, it was in an absurdly long time. And I'm sorry for the extremely lame 350th episode. I mean, who would have thought this little bottle wouldn't pop? Well, in my opinion, microwaving a bottle of Wite Out is a stupid idea and a complete waste of time.